and first you will require a account ID and password for login. So as a new customer, you will click on join for free. When you click on join for free, that time this form will be open and you will put your name, valid email address, you will select your country, you will give your mobile number, password, and click on all the checkbox and click on join now. When you click on join now, you will receive a emailer from Easme, welcome to Easme, and just you will click on this, click here to activate account. When you click on this activate account, automatically your account will be ready to use. Now what to do? Like in my cases, I have the signing ID and password in use, and then this form will open, sign in your account. Now take it to inside the Easme mall. You can find various merchants and their cashback like electronics, fashion, health, wellness, and premium stores, top cashback stores, beauty and personal care cashback, education, travel, various merchants and their cashback. Also apart from this, you will find deals and coupons. So there is a search option also. You can search your favorite stores. Like in my case, one of my favorite store is Myntra. So in case of Myntra, you can find there is a 5.25% cashback. So how to do your shopping from Myntra and get the cashback? This cashback is extra apart from the deals and discounts for a particular merchant. So now clicking on shop now, you will automatically diverted to Myntra.com, and the way you are shopping today, so same way you will do your shopping. You will choose your favorite products and buy from Myntra site. So what happened after 72 hours, you will find the cashback will be visible in your dashboard. So what happened? When you go to the click history, Easme has registered that you have from here you have moved to Myntra site, and then you will go to your transaction history. Like 10th October, I have shopped from a Myntra stores from product of 1600 rupees and 85 rupees cashback is showing, and it's showing in pending. Now I'm moving to dashboard. You will see all my shoppings and cashback earned, and now accrued account is 342. So after 45 to 90 days, depending upon the policy of various merchants, and it will be from here pending amount to it will be moving to available balance. So when it will move to available balance, then there is the option of withdraw. When you will click on withdraw, that will be withdraw from this sites, and it will be reflected in your bank account. Also there is a option, there is a tab of missing cashback. If cashback is not showing in 72 hours, there will be an option to raise missing cashback. So click on add missing cashback. You will put your date, retailer, order ID, order amount, and cashback amount. So automatically when you raise that missing cashback, then Easme will review with the merchants, and after that it will show in pending cashback. There is a very good thing for the customer, like it's a refer and earn option. So there is a very good system inbuilt inside the Easme. There is an emailer. You can send email to your friends or family members, or you can promote to social media. So if you through your referral links, any customer has been created and that customer upgraded to the super saver customer or saver customers, you will get commission from that customer. Thank you.